Hello parents and guardians, and welcome to the Hamilton Community Schools annual Title I meeting for the 2021-2022 school year. The agenda for tonight is information about Title I, requirements of Title I, rights of parents to be involved, the curriculum, the academic assessments to measure student progress. The goal of Title I is to increase academic achievement, to provide direct instructional support to students, provide professional development for teachers, and to promote parent education and involvement. Information about Title I. Hamilton Elementary School is a Title I school. The school is identified to receive Title I funding based on free and reduced lunch percentages. Schools that have 40% or more of their students receiving free or reduced lunch receive Title I funding. Being a Title I school means receiving federal funding to supplement the school's existing programs. These dollars are used for identifying students' experiencing academic difficulties and provide timely assistance to help these students meet the state's challenging content standards. Purchasing supplemental programs, materials, and supplies. Conducting parent involvement meetings, trainings, and activities. Hiring and retaining highly qualified teachers. And salaries for Title I assistants, instructional coaches, school improvement assistants, and interventionists. What is a school-wide program? The purpose is a comprehensive reform strategy designed to upgrade the entire educational program in a Title I school. The goal ensures that all students, particularly those who are low achieving, meet and exceed levels of achievement on state academic standards. Hamilton Elementary School is a school-wide program. This means the Title I program serves all children in a school. All staff resources and classes are part of the overall school-wide program. The purpose is to generate high levels of academic achievement in core subject areas for all students, especially those students most in need. The requirements to be a school-wide title program: at least 40% low-income student population, conducting a comprehensive needs assessment, identifying and committing to specific goals and strategies to address those prioritized needs, implementing a comprehensive reform model, creating a comprehensive plan focusing on successful academic achievement for all students, conducting an annual evaluation of the effectiveness of the school-wide program. So the core elements of a school-wide program is the comprehensive need assessment. This is creating a school profile, identifying areas of strength and areas of growth, as well as identifying areas of improvement with a prioritization of needs. This comprehensive school-wide plan is for the school-wide reform. We also take into consideration the budgeting of instructional assistance, student supplies, and administration. Then there is the evaluation component. Did the academic achievement of all students improve? Were the goals of the plan achieved? And does the plan need to be modified? Parents. Part of the Title I program is parent involvement. We need you. Decades of research shows that when parents are involved, students have higher grades, test scores, and graduation rates, better school attendance, increased motivation, better self-esteem, lower rates of suspension, decreased use of drug and alcohol use, and fewer instances of violent behavior. When schools encourage children to practice reading at home with parents, the children make significant gains in reading achievement compared to those who only practice at school. The most consistent predictor of children's academic achievement and social adjustment are parents' expectations of the child. Your rights of a parent to be involved in the Title program. Hamilton Elementary School has a Title I Parent Involvement Policy and Parent-School Compact. Those documents outline the right of parents to be involved and how parents will receive communication from the school. These documents are available on the school's webpage and will also be given to all parents at registration at the beginning of each school year. You, as a parent or guardian, have the right to ask for meetings and trainings, make suggestions for the Title I funding, review the school's achievement data, review the parent involvement plan, and review and modify the Title I Parent Involvement Plan and Homeschool Compact. What does the curriculum of Title I look like? It includes the Indiana College and Career Readiness Standards. Title I requires research-based assessment systems, including the use of data-based decision-making, high-quality professional development, and the implementation of research-based instructional strategies to ensure the academic achievement of all children. Title I also requires that instruction be provided by highly qualified staff and that strategies are included to increase parental involvement. Assessments. How do we make sure your child is making progress? We take into consideration the statewide assessment data, ILEARN. We also conduct reading assessments using Fontes and Pinnell and the RAS reading assessment. We use NWEA reading and math assessments at the beginning, middle, and end of the year. And we also use our own classroom assessments. How will parents receive update on progress? We update parents on progress by sending progress reports, report cards, parent-teacher conferences, testing reports from the ILEARN, the state assessment in grades 3 through 5. If you have any questions about the services offered to your students, please contact Ashley Strack at hcs.k12.in.us or contact the Hamilton Elementary Office, 260-488-2101. Please comment that you have watched this video. If you are viewing on Facebook, you can just enter viewed in the comments section, or you may send an email to ashley.strack@hcs.k12.in.us that signifies you have watched the video. Anyone that's watched the video will be entered in a drawing to win a gift card. Thank you very much.